Right, what are you saying, my people? In this video, I'm going to be showing you lot what a haircut or a trim actually does to you as a man, how it improves your looks. I'm going to be showing you me before a trim and after a trim, right? And the whole point of this video is just to show you the difference it makes. Right? I've got my laptop right in front of me and I'm going to show you lot exactly the difference it makes. So make sure you watch the video. So as you lot can see at the beginning of this video, I look very rough and very scruffy. My hair's all over the place. I don't look presentable at all. Now I'm going to show you the vlog slash video that I took while I was taking my haircut. It's just conversations with my barber, a bit of funny moments we had. You can see the haircut being done. If you want to forward this bit, you can skip it to the end, but you know, it's your choice.
Today we're doing a little tutorial on how to cut this. We're doing it before and after. The big man Issa here, get big man friend. That's it, that's it. One piece of wisdom, bro. See, a wise man once said. A wise man once said. Let me think. Wise man once said. Let me think about what he said. I'm trying to chuck in a line of wisdom for the. You have to, on the spot. You can't think about it. Don't think about it, bro. Well, I'll bust down with the. If you don't drive your car, because you don't put mileage on it, it's like no wife. And even for someone else. So drive your car, kids.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Best time to plant tree, 10 years ago, yeah. It's the second best time is now. A wise man once said, give your face from my friend. I see that one. It's getting there, you know. Yeah.
A wise man once said, never ever cross a cow's road. Hey.
If you like, I'll go you on something you know.
Yeah, you just done that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Come on now.
You know that I'm strong.
As you lot can see, a haircut really defines you, right? This video right here I'm showing you right now is literally me after the haircut, right? Look, I look a lot more neater, look a lot more presentable. Just look at how I'm feeling myself. Goodness me. And I don't know why it is, yeah, but when you get a haircut, especially after a long time, it just makes your face go... What the hell am I doing? Makes your face go really sharp and defined, right? You know, your jawline becomes a lot more visible, as you lot can see. You lot probably heard of that saying that it clears up your skin. Well, it doesn't really clear up your skin, but it gives the illusion that your skin's a lot more clearer, right? Those spots, or maybe you have a bit of acne, it gives the illusion that it's a lot more clearer and it's cleared up. So another key thing haircuts really does to you is it gives you a massive confidence boost. Right? You will look so much cleaner, so much better, and the fact that you look cleaner, better, you will know that in your mind and you will subconsciously take that in. You'll feel a lot more confident. You will be a lot more confident. You will talk a lot more confidently. You will approach more girls. You know what I mean? Your crush that likes you, approach her, bro. You got a haircut now. You get me? But when you get a haircut, your confidence goes crazy, right? As a man, as a masculine man on your self-improvement, confidence is key. A big way to improve your confidence is just get a haircut. Get a haircut, guys. And there's quite a lot of mixed opinions about this, right? Some people say it's girly or it's a feminine trait to take care of yourself a lot. I don't believe that at all. I feel like a man can't take care of yourself. Who else are you going to take care of? As simple as that. Take care of your looks, guys. Get frequent haircuts, right? Normal person can spend money and waste money on drinks, alcohol, and partying. Why can't you put down £15 or £20 or however much your trim is every 2 weeks and look good? Look sharp, look clean. I hope you all enjoyed that video, right? I showed you me before a haircut and after the haircut, the difference it makes your look. Telling you lot that you need to get frequent haircuts, yeah. Got a little funny vlog in there, only vlog on the channel, but I thought it would be a bit different and I hope you all enjoyed it. For more content, hit the like button and stay tuned for more content. Get a haircut. Love.